Password reset not sending email on Barclays US Fix. You've requested a password reset from Barclays US, but the email just doesn't show up. You refresh your inbox again and again, still nothing. Don't worry, it's a common issue with a few simple solutions. First, check your spam or junk folder. Barclays password reset messages often come from no reply barclays.com. Many email systems automatically treat these as promotional or suspicious, so search for Barclays password reset to locate it. If it's not there, verify you're using the correct email address linked to your account. Many users have multiple Barclays products or old email addresses on file, and it's easy to enter the wrong one. Next, add a Barclays.com to your safe sender or contacts list. Then resend the password reset email and wait about 10 minutes before trying again. Sending too many reset requests at once can cause a temporary delay. If you're on the mobile app, try switching to a desktop browser. Sometimes the mobile app doesn't complete the request due to connection issues or cached data. Clearing cookies before retrying can also help. Also, make sure your inbox isn't full. A full mailbox can silently block new automated messages. If you still don't receive the email, contact Barclays' customer service directly. I'll verify your identity and manually send you a password reset link or temporary login credentials. Most people assume Barclays' system is at fault, but the surprising truth is that email filters, outdated contact info, or small technical errors are the real cause. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be back in your Barclays account before you know it.